Okay. All right, this is a tougher experiment now. I'm going to get the masses of the carts. 412-ish. This one. Whoops. And now the idea, when I put this up here, they're going to be a little bit bouncy. Be careful. You got to watch the times in the video carefully. And this is the red timer. This is the blue timer, and this is the time between. I don't know if we're even going to need all those or not. I don't have time to think. Okay, so I'm going to run this and watch out for the video. Both of them should end up going through this gate. So you're going to see two different times on the blue. You're going to have to record both of those. Let's hit it. Oh, it didn't have time to go through. All right, one more try. Keep it rolling, Angus.
Hit the reset button on the timers.
Oh yeah, reset. Forgot to hit start. Okay, so let's try that again. My apologies. We're really in a rush here.
Oh, reset again.
Whoops. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Gonna stop this one. That one go all the way through. There we got it. Okay. Let me try it again.